If you're seeing a Facebook error 403, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few quick and easy fixes you can try right now. This is a common access issue, and in many cases it can be solved in just a couple of minutes without needing any advanced steps. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes and software tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight into it. The first thing you should do is refresh the page by pressing F5 on your keyboard. Sometimes a 403 error appears because the page didn't load properly the first time, and a simple refresh is enough to clear it up. After refreshing, take a moment to check your internet connection. If your connection is unstable, slow, or dropping in and out, Facebook may block the request or fail to load the page correctly. Make sure you're connected to a stable network, and if possible, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data just to test whether the issue is coming from your connection. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, cached files and stored data can become outdated or corrupted, and that can trigger login or access problems like this one. Open your browser settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear the cache for Facebook or for all browsing data if needed. Once that's done, close the browser completely and open it again, then try loading Facebook one more time. If none of that works, try using Incognito mode. Incognito mode opens a fresh browser session without using your saved cache, cookies, or extensions in the same way, so it's a great way to test whether the problem is related to your browser data. If Facebook loads normally in Incognito mode, then the issue is probably caused by something stored in your regular browser profile, like cookies, cached files, or even a browser extension. In that case, you may need to clear more browsing data or disable extensions one by one until you find the cause. So to quickly recap, the main fixes for Facebook error 403 are refreshing the page, checking your internet connection, clearing your browser cache, and trying Incognito mode. These simple steps solve the problem in many cases and can save you a lot of time. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.